$415,000 in the hood of Charlotte. What does that get you?
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso.
It's nothing like walking into a new house with that fresh paint and new flooring. The smell is just immaculate. So, what we have here? We have a half bathroom. Half bathroom is for the guests. It's right by the door. I'm good with that. So, so when people leaving, they can use the bathroom and see their way out. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I leave a house, I might have to take a pee and boom, it's right there for me. This here is the entrance to the garage. Garage is pretty long. I'm actually impressed. Garage is a nice size, pretty long. But this is the garage. You have the water tank here. That's the linen closet. Walk in, open floor plan. Open floor plans normally sell extremely well, but this is what we have, right? So we got the quartz countertops. He's giving you the refrigerator, the whole Whirlpool appliance set. You have the single sink here. So this is a single sink. Personally, I like the double sinks, but this is not a bad look, man. I kind of like this. It's deep and it's long. So what you often find in luxury houses. New cabinets. This is a brand new house. It's built ground up, so everything's new, but I'm just pointing out what's going on in the house. I like the subway tile. Love the quartz countertop. The luxury vinyl plank flooring. That's a plus. Living room. This house is staged, and I think it's staged very well, obviously. Should be selling soon, but check out the backyard, though. Check out the backyard. Yo, everything's already gated off, so you don't have to worry about that. So all you could do is bring your grill, and you can entertain people right in your backyard. It's already done for you, so I kind of like that. You don't have to do much, but just move yourself in. And I love the modern exterior lights. Very beautiful. This is the downstairs, the ceiling fan, recessed lights. Lighting works wonders, but now we're about to just go upstairs. So this property is a 2.5 bathroom, which everything is located upstairs. Man, that air feels so good up here, bro. Here you have bedroom 1. Here you have the carpet, ceiling fan, nice size closet. Nice size bedroom, actually. Then you have your second bedroom, double door closet, so it's nice size closet. Here he decided not to do the ceiling fan, just do a light. The air feels really good. I would have probably did another ceiling fan, but this is nice, you know what I mean? Really clean. I have the double sinks here. Double sinks, his and her, shower, tub. So with this arranged, I could take a bath, I could do my shower, picked out a nice toilet, pretty good finishes, nothing to say. Tile bathroom. Washer and dryer is upstairs, okay? This is what I like about this concept. Mine is downstairs, but me, I'm somebody, once I wash the clothes and dry them, I fold them. A lot of y'all don't fold your clothes till like 2 weeks later. This way, it doesn't have to be in the guest way, but the washer and dryer is up here. So now you got the master, right? You get the master bath in your master closet, and this is a walk-in closet. First things first, let's check out the closet. You got your double vanity right here and there. I kind of like this. I've never seen this before. This mirror design, never seen that before. So this is really cool. And you have stand-up shower, right? And everything's tiled, stand-up shower, tile. I think it's a great job. I like this property. I think he did a good job in it, man. $415. I'm hoping this thing flies off. I own some properties in the neighborhood, so, I kind of need this to help stuff that I own in the neighborhood. And one thing I didn't point out while I was over here, the panel wall, that's different. He paneled the wall. A nice white panel. I like this. I might gotta use this in my house. I like this. It's nice and white. I throw some shelves on that joint. That joint looking good. This is the builder, good friend of mine. Make sure you follow him on Facebook and Instagram. Follow him Facebook and Instagram. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna put it in the description as well. But make sure you follow them. Support what he's doing. He's building beautiful houses like these all over Charlotte, North Carolina area. This one's $415. This size probably gonna be the same price as well. This is basically a duplex or a townhome. You get one side. You got a garage. The crazy part, this neighborhood used to be one of the worst blocks in this particular neighborhood. Now it's kind of like one of the best blocks because all the transformation going on. But I want to ask you a question, right? So this is obviously gentrification, but does gentrification, is that like a bad thing or is it a good thing? For me personally, I feel, it's not bad or good. I own property, so you can't push me out. Yeah, you can buy me out. You can, buy what I own, but, some of you guys been following me since 2012, 2013, and hey, I've been pushing ownership since. So you should own in your neighborhood because you could have been benefiting off this sale. But that's my take on gentrification. I get it. There's also some casualties of war of grandma and grandpa pushed out due to taxes, etc. But sometimes we suffer from not knowing because like the city of Charlotte, they actually have a program for senior citizens, with the tax bill. So with that being said, man, you just gotta ask the right questions, but I get it, taxes rise, people on fixed income. However, there's casualties of war at every income class level. So, I don't think that we should let our neighborhoods deteriorate. I think that we should have beautiful neighborhoods and beautiful places to live. So I'm all for this because I think that we deserve beautiful. But that's me. That's my take on gentrification. What's your take? Comment below. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Please watch that video next to me. Peace.